Good morning, everybody. We are on our way to I think it's Kingsbury, NW9. It's another seized asset repossession. This time it's a 2015 Ford Kuga. Obviously it's unpaid fines, maybe it's parking charges, or could be congestion zone or dark charge, not sure. There is a bailiff with it. I'm expecting to get there and have a clamp on it, and we'll see what happens. See you in a minute. Right, this is the road, so it should be just up here around this bend, I think. There it is. It's that blue one there. Very close to that. Let's move forward a little bit. Your bailiff. Is it yours?
Huh? Yeah, no, it's my wife.
Oh. Do you want to go around and speak to her? Oh. So, the husband of the woman that owns the car's just come out. I've sent him round to speak to the bailiff. But I'm just going to carry on. Right, so we'll move it away from that car there as we go up, and there we have it. Up she goes. going to clear off out of the way and then strap it down. Now the alarm goes off. Right, this looks like as good a place as any to pull over and strap it down. Yeah, so the owner did come out, said it was his wife's car, didn't seem very bothered, spoke to the bailiff and then he went back in. So, who knows? Bit of an odd one. If it was my wife's car being taken, I'd want to get involved and see why and all that. But, well, we got it though, so let's get it strapped down. Right, there we go, all strapped down. It's pretty battered actually. That front bumper's had quite a few scuffs and scrapes on it, hasn't it? Got some scratches and scuffs. Oh, the back's had it as well. Yeah, but if she's on board, strapped down, let's head off to the pound. Oh, actually, this one's not going to the pound. This one's going to our place. This company store them at ours. So let's head off to base. Right, I have arrived back at base. I found a nice gap to drop it into. It's all unstrapped, ready to go. Let's get it unloaded. There we go, it's done. Right, I think I'll call that the end of the video. If you liked watching this video, click a like and subscribe, and don't forget, for all your recovery needs, you know who to call, Bud Recovery. I'll leave a link in the description. See you next time.